Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the text generation toolkit in your Unity projects. Okay, I have already expected you guys to watch my video on how to get an OpenAI key for the text generation toolkit asset. If you have not watched that, you can go ahead and watch it by clicking the link in the description. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is right click on the hierarchy and click create empty. I'm going to call this game object Call GPT-3. Then I'm going to reset its position. And I'm going to focus on it by double clicking it on the inspector. And I'm going to add a new component. And the new component is called Call GPT-3. I'm going to go ahead and explain what each of the variables does, and then I'm going to fill them out. What the AI is. This describes what the AI is or does. The question is the question that the player asks. The post prompt is the final instruction after the user's question. The number of responses is the number of responses that the AI will generate. Maximum amount of tokens is the max amount of tokens the AI will use per call. One token is 4 characters. For more information on pricing, go to the documentation, then go to the maximum amount of tokens underneath the what each variable does, then click the link there. Temperature is a value between 0 and 1. 0 is factual and to the point. 1 is very creative. Top P is a value between 0 and 1. 0 repeats the same answers, and 1 provides different answers. Frequency penalty is the value between -2 and 2. -2 is more likely to repeat the same words, 2 is less likely to repeat the same word. Persistence penalty is a value between -2 and 2. -2 is more likely to repeat the same topics, and 2 is less likely to repeat the same topics. Model. This determines what model is used for the AI. Different models will take different amounts of time to give a response and will cost different amounts of money per token. To learn more about the different model types, go to the documentation and the moderation. If this is set to moderation like it is right now, it will be the question that the question that you send to the AI will be checked to see if it's appropriate. Okay, what the AI is. I'm going to tell the AI, you are a NPC blacksmith in a fantasy world. Question: do you have any armor for sale? The post prompt is going to be respond with a question. Then the number of responses, I'm going to set that to 3. I'm going to set the max amount of tokens to 50. I'm going to set the temperature to max. And I'm going to change it to, let's go with the no, let's keep on curry actually. I'm going to keep it on moderation. Now I'm going to click generate response. I sell a variety of armors, from simple tunics to full suits of heavy armor. What type of armor do you need? What kind of armor do you have for sale? Sometimes Curry won't give the best response. Like right now, like one of them gave blank. This one gave what kind of armor do you have for sale? But if you want really good ones, I'd recommend going with the GPT-3. Then click generate response and wait for it. This may take some time. What kind of armor are you looking for? For this, I might need to crank up these values a bit more, since it gave the same response 3 times, except this one's slightly different wording. But yeah, now you know how to use the script. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.